All right, stumbled upon a quick little Porsche meetup before the other meet. This blue one's sexy though. What's up? These is like the dream cars right here. Sick little bug. This thing's beautiful. Dude, the interior is sick in here. That looks sick. I like how we just randomly found this.
Oh, yeah.
This is sick. I really like that blue one up there. I think that was at the last car meet I was at. This one's sweet. Dude, the color is so nice on that. I kind of wish my car was that color, but it's a little dimmer. And next we're going to the other car meet that I'm in, so I'll meet you guys there. How's it going? It's going. Oh, he parked his son parked all the way down there. Damn.
Trying to go there?
That thing's so clean. This Subaru is clean. This is pretty sick. This thing's sick too.
Yeah, I mean, I'll put it in. I couldn't tell you how much they cost. No, I don't remember. I didn't find it out. Oh, it's...
Damn, he's got the BBSs on that shit.
I didn't even have... I have my...
Dude, this color is so bright on camera. Jesus. He's low. How's it going? That's so sick. It sounds super. I don't know. Thing's sick though. It has like that little
Is it Pro Charge?
Power steering.
Fake me out there. Oh shit.
What up, big guy?
Look at this guy, huh?
Damn. Damn, dude. This thing's tough. Damn. Dude, the color on it, it's like a frozen red. That looks tough.